There's the mudsucker. This mudsucker here is like gigantic. Look at that. Oh my god. I don't know what kind of fish I'm gonna get with this, but hopefully we get something better. But anyway guys, that's how I do it. It's like that, okay? There you go. There you go guys. First cast. Ah, look at that. Sun's almost up. Beautiful. There you go. There you go. Fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on. Ano mo, nakaano yung ano mo? Sige, sige lang. Yan mo dito, yan mo dito, sige lang. Yan natin. Ulit ba? Oh yeah. Ulit man.
Baby lang, baby.
Baby. There you go.
Baby lang, baby.
Yeah. First fish, first fish. As always, first fish. Yeah. That's about 13 incher.
Bye bye.
There it is. Yan. Oh, yan. Yun. Good job. Fish on again. Let's see. Ano pre? Okay ba?
Meron pa.
Oo, mukhang keeper to this time. Maybe a keeper, bro.
Maluwag ba?
Oo, maluwag ng konti yung ano mo. Like a keeper, bro. Yeah, looks like a keeper. Maliit pa rin.
Yun din.
Parang yung the same.
Kapatid lang nga siguro. Bata-bata.
There you go. Wala na.
Wala na?
Yeah. There it is. Go, buddy. Go the other way.
Bye-bye.
There you go. See you in the near future. Got fish, guys. Maybe 18. I don't know. Let's see. There you go, buddy. Oh, I think small fish. It has to be 18, guys. Come on, buddy. There you go. Goodbye. There you go. Anyway guys, it's a little bit windy today. The water quality a little bit murky. Maybe sturgeon time today. Quite a few boat came out. go, guys. So when you use one of these guys, make sure you have one of these sliders just like that, okay? So when you cast them out, they don't fall off your hook. Alright guys, here we go. This is our first cast of the day. Oh, fish on, fish on. Oh, damn. Pretty small, bro. It's there. Oh, it's a keeper. Keeper.
Yep.
It's 18.
Catch your footing, man. Catch your footing.
Yeah. 17. Yep.
Gonna wait.
There you go, guys. Small. It's almost there. Let him go. There you go, buddy.